Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace that radio screen here. I'm replacing this screen and the HVAC switch buttons, replacing it because the touchscreen doesn't really work anymore. So let's go. I'm gonna use a plastic trim tool to pry that bezel off the radio. All right, it's not held by anything but a bunch of clips pretty much. We're just going to work our way around it until we disengage every single one of them. There you go. There you go. We got two dummy switches here, dummy connector I should say, not doing anything. So for reference, this truck has the bucket seats, not the center console, that long thing that goes all the way to the radio. It doesn't have that, so it makes that job a lot easier. Okay, and the other thing too is that yeah, so let's take our bolt off here. 7mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 of them. All right. Okay. Do the same thing here. There you go. So that's your display here, and I think that's the radio right there. That's your radio. The radio communicate with the screen. You have your display right here that's separate from the radio, and I think that is your HMI module, if I'm not mistaken, because I see a few coaxial cables here. HMI module, or not, if not HMI, that's probably your OnStar module. Yeah, so I have everything here, everything's out. So you're gonna unplug the display here. There it is. And do the same thing here. Gonna squeeze those tabs, and we're gonna unplug that one here too. There you go. That's your old one. No programming involved, by the way, for this. Anyways, the new one, we're gonna put it together. We're gonna install our HVAC switches here and bolt it to the car. Okay. It. All right, everything's installed. Let's start the vehicle, make sure everything works. There it is. It's pretty cool. Turn off the AC here, and that's it, guys. We're good here, and the touchscreen start working again. And that's about it, guys. Now it's time to bolt everything back in and ship the car out of the shop. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.